Right when I was about to film, I just got 4 packages delivered to me. Hi guys, I know it's been a minute. Today's a fun video because I have a bunch of all these PR packages that got sent to me. I've been hoarding them in the corner of my house for like 2 weeks. My husband's telling me to open these. It's taking up most of the space in our house. The kids are upstairs with dad right now, so I'm hoping I can do this in time before Eliana comes down, because once she comes down, she's gonna want to open all of these herself. Stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna be giving away most of these things. Anyways, I'm gonna say this in the beginning of the video, so I don't have to say this every single time, but I wanna say thank you to all these brands for sending all these things to me. I'm very grateful. If you do not like when people say, oh my god, this is so cute, guys, there's a little picnic basket in here, probably don't want to watch this video because I'm probably gonna say this like throughout the whole entire video. This is what I got. There is fruits in here, but they're all molded because I didn't open them right away. It looks like peaches, maybe some oranges. No, they're all peaches, sorry. They're molded peaches, my bad. Body butter, body scrub, and then some creamy oil. A box in a box. I got 4 eyeshadow sticks. I'm so excited to use this. This one says fragile. I got some pasta sauce. What? This is what I'm hyped about. Forget the makeup and skincare. I want pasta sauce. We got 2 different hot sauces, black and white truffle. And then we also got a black truffle infused olive oil. Glow recipe. That is so cute. I got a mini backpack with a bunch of skincare products in here. This is probably gonna be used for my toddler. We have a serum, a toner, a moisturizer, which I actually really love that moisturizer. This is my favorite. It's their Blur Drops, and I actually use this before I put my makeup on, so that's nice that I have a restock. I knew this was gonna be from Lancome because Lancome always sends their PR in this box. So Lancome, let's see. We have this Juicy Tube Gloss. We're gonna try the color Miracle. I love it. Brightening serum, perfume. My mom actually loves this perfume, so I'm gonna give it to her because her birthday's actually next week, so I'm gonna gift it. Eyeliner and mascara. I'm low-key gonna keep these boxes for Christmas time to wrap gifts in it. Okay, I can bet you guys right now this is also from Lancome. Let's see. Lancome. I got sent the same exact things. This is how I'm gonna give things away. Comment below your favorite color if you want this box. Box number 3. Let's see if this is Lancome. Lancome. Oh no, look guys, it's something else. I got their peptide cream, which that sounds super exciting. Every time I think of the word peptide, I think of Hailey Bieber. I don't know why, because their peptide lip gloss, I actually really want those. This packaging is cute. I'm gonna guess that box number 4 is the exact same thing. Yep, it's the same thing. So if you guys want to win this box, comment your favorite season. Also comment your Instagram so there's a way I can contact you. We got through like probably 6 boxes. I'm not even done yet. I almost opened this, but this is for my husband. We have another Glow recipe box. That is absolutely so cute. But this is their new pomegranate peptide firming serum. I'm gonna actually use this for like my jewelry and stuff. Next box is from Heritage. The packaging says dang you cute. Let's find out. We got a shampoo and conditioner, and we also got a leave-in conditioner. Color safe, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free. Wow, I'm actually excited to try this. Oh my gosh, damn. I've never heard of this brand. It's called ROC. Here's some of the products they sent me. They sent me like moisturizers, serums, some eye cream and eye balm. Dear Kayla, we love your content and we're excited to send you a few of our newest skincare innovations and top sellers to test on yourself. It's Lancome, again, a Lancome X Lavalier. I'm watching it right now. Oh! It's my girl Zendaya. She's so beautiful. I got a eyeshadow palette, some lipsticks, mascara. My camera battery just died on me. Absolutely fake, but anyways. We have another package. ROC, again, it's another collaboration with SLP. I've never heard of these brands, but I'm excited to know about them. That is adorable. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. We're actually going to Texas like in 2 weeks, so I'm excited to use this little pouch. Definitely have to try these products because damn, they're sending me so much of it. L'Oreal Paris, I love their brand. Look how cute the packaging is. This is their niacinamide serum, and then they also sent me sunblock as well, which is SPF 50. We love a high SPF. All of this right here is closed. I cannot sit down and open each close right now, so I'm gonna leave that here. Probably save for the end of the video or not open it at all. Savage Fenty by Rihanna. I love her stuff. Oh my god, my husband's gonna be freaking out. I have to go call Elijah. I'm gonna be honest, I have not worn lingerie like this in forever. I've been rocking granny undies. Ever since I had Eliana, I was just like, I can't wear a thong anymore. Oh my god, what does this say? Make more babies. What? What? Excuse me? I'm down to make more babies if you can cover my hospital bill, because Giving birth in America, expensive. Fenty Skin. I got their Pro Filter Foundation. I love this. I rave about this all the time. I also got their Blemish Spot Targeting Gel, which I've seen. You basically use this gel and you put it on like your acne and then you put your foundation over it. I was about to go to Sephora and buy that. Oh my gosh. Fenty Beauty never fails with their PR boxes. Like, I think they're always the cutest. Can we just talk about this? Like, that's cute. Is this new? This is a skin tint. I love skin tints. I feel like they just look really nice and natural. I also got some sunscreen too, so I'm excited to try this. Thank you, Fenty Beauty. These are so cute, guys. Look at this. It kind of reminds me of like New Balances. This is from Home Court. I really love their products. They just sent me a new candle. It's their Mandarin Basil Scented Candle. Ooh, that smells like basil for sure. You know what it smells like? It smells like this like mojito that my mom would always make, and she would put like basil in it, like orange and basil. I think it's called a mojito. I don't know. I don't drink, so. More Fenty Beauty. So I got 4 shadow sticks. They also sent me this Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. Okay, I have to use this. Show your soft side. Oh, that's so cute. I've been starting to buy a bunch of like PJs from Target, and I just been obsessed wearing PJs like this. If you guys know me, I would wear like just big t-shirts and like some gym shorts. But I'm starting to wear cute PJs like this. Like I got this sent to me from Stitch Fix, and it's from Kate Spade. And it's so comfy, it's so soft, I love it. I can't wait to wear that. I think these are more PJs. Okay, this is another company called PJ Savage. And I think I've seen a lot of TikTokers get this. That is hella soft. And the matching shorts. It's giraffe PJs, that's so cute. And there's also matching shorts, like, come on. Oh, hello, my baby girl. Another box. Babe, look how cute these boxes are. We can use them for Christmas. Look at that. There's 3 mascaras in here. There's also eyeliner. So I'm guessing that other box behind me is another version of this. So let me go see. Okay, let's open this. So they sent me 2 boxes of this Comet mascara with the flower emoji. This is from Bare Minerals. They sent me a bunch of blush and highlighters. These are the colors. I'm excited for this really bright pink one. It's called Pink Glow, and then also Rose Glow too. Here's a box from Benefit. This is a new mascara. It's called Trip Out the Fan. This is apparently the #1 mascara according to the box. Open your eyes to a new Fan Fest mascara. That is cute packaging. This is new to me, so I've never heard of it. It's called Momofuku Goods. We got food from Momofuku. It's spicy chili noodles. That looks super good. And then they also sent their sweet and spicy noodles. This is an apron they sent. These are chopsticks. I can literally feel it. Look at that, guys. Kitchen towels. There's a chili crunch hot honey. They also sent me a chili oil too. It's called Chili Crunch. I'm excited to try this and see if it meets my expectations like Trader Joe's. There's a wine key as well. We don't really drink wine, so probably never gonna use that, but I'll give that to my parents. Oh, this is so cute. They also sent a tote bag too. Dang, just for some noodles? That's so cute. That's cute. Gonna use this for the beach. We got a package from Summer Fridays. I love their lip balm. Apparently it's like trending right now on TikTok, and I'm like, dude, those have been amazing since day one. They sent me this Rich Cushion Cream Ultra Plumping Moisturizer. You can also use it as a makeup primer according to the box. Okay, we have a big box right here from Philosophy. This is so heavy. Look at that. This is from Liquid IV. I've worked with them in the past. I love their Liquid IVs. I think they're super yummy. They sent me a backpack. This actually looks nice. Like for a travel bag, this is pretty big. Oh, guys, look how cute. There's little fruits on this. They sent me some color pencils in this like little container. Is this for my toddler or for me? They sent 2 matching bottles. So one for Ellie, one for me. So they sent me some Liquid IV for my toddler. We don't give her juice, but I definitely give her some Liquid IV. Sometimes when she wants juice, I feel like it's just better for her. When Eliana is usually sick, I always give her Liquid IV. They sent me grape, tropical punch, and then crisp apple and banana. I've never had the banana flavor, so I kind of want to try that for myself. Oh, and then there's another flavor for Eliana. Cotton candy, what? I'm the girl who always orders cotton candy ice cream. I'm gonna try this. Oh my god, we just got some more diapers and wipes from Cordery. I love this brand. I love their wipes especially. We also got size 3 diapers for Alicia. I love their diapers too. They're amazing. We have 2 packages from Stitch Fix. I love this company as well. I worked with them many times, so I have a few things that they sent me as well. Oh my god, they sent me this cute floral purple dress. We got some shoes. Look at these house slippers. They're so cute. Oh my god, and they also sent me PJs. So I got this set right here. Here is the matching top. It's from the company Seeing Stars. And then I also got a gray set too with like hearts on it, which is honestly so cute. This is from My Mom Made It. I love their stuff. It's so cute. I got a fragrance car tag. I'm guessing this is a purse. That's so cute. I can't. And it's so soft. This shirt is so cute. The fabric is amazing. That is so cute. They sent me a workout set. Here's their matching top, and then here are bottoms. I got matching undies and then a bralette as well. But it's a floral tan top. And then I also got another one. This one's really cute. This one's my favorite because it's like purple, looks like lavender a little bit. Lastly but not least, I'm pretty sure this is from White Fox. Should I just open them right now or should I do like a try on haul? Because this is a lot of clothes. Oh my goodness. Damn, I need to go to like a race car event. Is this what you wear to like the race car events? Wait, this is actually cute. Oh, wait, I like this. It's actually not that thick. It's heavy, but it's like, I feel like I can breathe in this. We are finally done. I have to go through all of this mess. There's a lot of stuff. We're gonna have to break these boxes down. Good thing I decided to open this right before trash day because trash day is tomorrow, so we can get all of this put away. I'm probably gonna save some of these boxes to use for Christmas time. I think the last box, I'm just gonna put like a bunch of random skincare and makeup in there. So comment Sephora or Ulta, which one would you rather shop at? I will pick the winners next week. If you guys want me to do more of these, let me know. Hopefully I see you guys next week. I don't know, with me, I always say things and then I never stick to my words. This is like perfect right now because my baby's crying, so I need to go feed her. Love you guys.